Well, some alarming news for motorcyclists in our area. This year, fatal motorcycle crashes in the Corpus Christi area are up by 500%. TxDOT officials say there's been a dramatic increase in motorcycle fatalities here that doesn't line up with the rest of the state. Throughout Texas, fatal motorcycle crashes are decreasing, but locally, 11 riders have died in the past year. Today, some local motorcycle clubs held a safety event encouraging all riders to get the training they need so they can hit the roads as safely as possible.
I like the new approach to riding. Before it was more, people should be more aware of us, but now we're saying that, along with that, motorcyclists have to take responsibility for themselves. We have to make sure that we position ourselves in a place where, we're safe.
All motorcyclists in Texas are legally required to get a Class M certification. More advanced motorcyclists can also undergo more advanced safety training.